Subaru Forester 2012. New battery, new starter, new relays. Key on. No sound at all. But there is this weird chiming under the dash. I hope you guys can hear this. Weird chiming noise in there. Okay, I found a problem with the freaking car not starting. They installed, the previous owner installed this little box here, which is a security device. But we don't have no codes for this, etc. So I'm just gonna remove it. To prove it was there, this is the connector that goes in there. I already removed the ground, and all I had to do was to short the blue and the dark purple wire, and the car started. Now I'm just going under the dash. There's a tight spot there. I just need to reconnect those two wires. It's actually a white and black to this side here. So I'm gonna remove this part so I can have better access and retie those things, and then cut these two wires out. That ought to do it this for good. Alright, see you later. Okay, removing the panel gave me great access to the stuff, and pulling the old wires was easier than it looks, because it's just this kind of connector, and the other part that's here just bites in the wire and sends the power to the alien module that was there. So that's out. Now I reconnect the old redid the old connection. It would be better to solder, but this seems to be very good. So that's how it's gonna be. Just gonna get a pair of pliers and finish tightening that, and should be good to go forever, hopefully. I just retied the old wire splice. So it's the final test. Yep, started right over. Alright, let's put this shit back together and send my wife on her way. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this is useful.